My name is Hollywood, and I am a two-time graduate of the Colorado Media School. Back in 2017, I graduated with a radio broadcasting degree, and then in 2020, a film emphasis. And currently, I am working at the media school. I am an administrative assistant. I also am the social media manager, which I love. I love taking pictures and capturing those moments. And I also work for AIR, Absolute Imagery Recall. We fly drones and we create packages for real estate agents so they can sell virtually. It was an ad over the radio. I was dropping my kiddos off at school, and I heard a commercial for the media school, and it's one of those things where you just know, I had to check it out, and when I checked it out, took a tour around the school, and I mean, that's where the excitement began. What I liked best about my experience at the media school was there were so many outlets. The radio, the TV. I had a hard time really just picking one avenue. I liked it all. And that's when I knew I was perfect for the media, because it entails everything. Advice for current students: try everything. Podcast, radio, and the media is a big thing. You got to get yourself out there, get your name out there. Brand yourself, market yourself, and don't limit yourself. And for alumni out there, our Colorado media family, come back to the school or check us out online, see what we're doing, what new upcoming workshops we have. I mean, this industry is constantly evolving, and you don't want to get left in the dust. So come check us out.